Hello, this is Dr. Adelberg, and our presentation today is integration of our project sub-assemblies in our mechatronic lab. We follow up the module topics. We are in module 10, dealing with integration. The integration will include integrating all the sub-assembly into one device, and as an exercise, we'll power up the system. As a skill set tools, we'll take a look at Python programming, very common in artificial intelligence, machine learning. We'll start the online editor, we'll view a tutorial, and then we'll do an exercise repeating the tutorial programming on our computer. The system integration and power up include taking the mechanical assembly, placing the electrical circuits and breadboard on the mechanical assembly, using the connecting the power, connecting the Internet of Things communication, possibly to the cloud if we're doing artificial intelligence, making sure we take safety measures. 9 volts is not going to hurt us, but if we're working with 110 or 220 volts, we'll make sure that everything is nice and safe. Then we power up the machine and start the step-by-step testing and debugging of the complete process. As a report, we like to see screenshots of the complete system and the light of the power up. As far as the tool of Python programming, we'll start the online editor by clicking on this icon, coming in here, and we'll see Python 3. Then we'll click on this icon. We'll take a look at the tutorial step by step for 10 minutes, showing us some basics skill set needed for programming artificial intelligence machine learning in Python. And then we'll do an exercise by putting the 2 screens in Windows, following up step by step what the tutorial shows us to do, and then doing it on our screen like we're showing over here, defining a function to increment a number, increment A. We do the same thing here, and then we run it in a similar way. We present the results in a report. This completes our presentation, and we'll continue with more lab sessions in upcoming modules. Thank you.